So over here, you can see that I have this particular photo collection right here, and I'm accessing the photo of this particular account. But over here, you can see that I also can access my other account, Google Photos, right here. For example, to do that, I can go ahead and select YouTube channel 2 right here. And then what happens is that I get to this account right here. Similarly, I can go back to this account as well. So sometimes you may be accessing Google Photos, but if you have multiple accounts signed in, you may not see the same photos because of it. So over here, what you can also do is add another account as well. So let's say, for example, if I were to go ahead right here and then add in another account right here, just like this, right here, then what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and continue with that particular account, and you can add that in as well. So that is how you can go ahead and do account switching inside of Google Photos as needed. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.